what's up guys, welcome back to the Adobe PS tutorial. Today I'm gonna create a cinematic Aqua Color Grading in Lightroom. So let's get started the tutorial. First open Lightroom, import your image. I already import, and go to the library. Here I import, and then go to the develop. Here. Now we will tweak some settings. Go to basics here, and we will increase the temp 7 and tint 7 and increase the contrast 20. Highlight should be -100 to more visible the detail, and go to shadow plus 20 is enough, and white -40 and black -40. Yeah, -40. Cool. Now we'll go to the presence. Clarity should be 35 and dehaze 10. Vibrance must be increased like 25, and saturation will be decreased like 25, not 25, 50, something around. This is good. Now we'll go to the HSL color. First one, red. We will decrease the hue like -30 and increase the saturation +40. And luminance must be -30. Go to the orange color, -18 hue, and orange saturation -40 something around, and luminance also -40. Go to the yellow color, -100 hue and +40 saturation, and -50, 45 something around, luminance 45. -45 luminance. Go to the green -100 hue and plus saturation 100 and -50 luminance. Go to the aqua color, hue 0 and saturation -40 and +15 luminance, and go to the blue color -27 hue and 40 saturation and 15 luminance. Okay, go to the detail. You can increase the noise reduction like +5 or 10 something around. Go to the HSL again, okay. Now we will go to the effect and decrease the amount of vignetting minus 25 something around, and midpoint must be 60, 70, something like 70. Okay, now you can see the comparison. This one is our before edit and this one after it, so I think it's looking very nice. So you can go ahead with this, and you can also apply this setting on your own photo. Even you can copy this setting from here and apply to other image, like select this one and paste it, and select this one and paste it, and this one paste it. So you can apply this setting to your multiple images where you want to apply. So if you like my video, please subscribe our channel and share our video.